Hey guys, Jake here. Welcome back to another ROX video update. Behind me here, we've got our CAT D10T2 fuel tank in our lovely certified transport frame. I just want to talk to you quickly about a little program we've been working on. So it's our ROX New for Old exchange program. It's basically what this is we've got plenty of these tanks as well as a whole range of other fuel tanks in stock. And we can get these out to you guys dispatched within 48 hours. So they'll get to site really quick. You'll be able to swap your old tanks out with the new tank, put the old tank straight in the certified transport frame and send it back to us. We can also switch out the asset plate numbers on the new tank that gets sent out to you on the certification plate. So that's a really good bonus. Yeah, as I said, plenty of these in stock from 793F, 789D, C, 785D, and the 777s as well. And the Komatsu 830E. So we're going to have some more information on this program very shortly, so just keep an eye out for that. And otherwise, if you want to learn more, get in contact with the ROX team today.